I'm here with OMG Queen, and it says Chic Natural Confident. This is today's hair company that I'm trying to wig from. Open the box and this is how it looks. So I see a couple stuff in there and the wig, which we're gonna get to, but you know I always show you the goodie first, so let's get to that. I got this little thank you card and it says enjoy every moment. Okay, it's really cute. And then I got a pair of wig caps. I also got this hair in the package as well. And I got a metal fist pick. Okay, it's the first time ever receiving one of these in my package. I also got a rat tail comb. Okay, and then lastly I got a adjustable strap. All right, so that's everything in terms of goodies that I got in the package. Okay, all right guys, oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. Why? I don't know if you guys know, but curly short wigs are like one of my signature looks, like for sure. They really add to that vibe for me. I love them so much, and I'm really happy that I could have like another one. But guess what's so beautiful with this one? It's a glueless. It is a glueless lace closure 8-inch pixie cut wig. All right, yeah, it's a 5x5 HD lace. You don't need to be bothered with doing a full-on lace front install. It's only a glueless lace closure, no adhesive needed. Definitely a top feature of this wig. Super convenient, very beginner friendly, slip on and go, wear and go kind of vibe. And this is how the inside of the cap looks. It has a total of 4 combs on the inside of the cap, and there's also this non-slip part to it, so this helps to kind of keep it, you know, secure to your head. Then there are the loops on the inside of the cap for you to add the adjustable strap. So I'm gonna do that because I feel like using your adjustable strap in these wigs really help in terms of security and how snugged the wig stays to your head. I always love using my adjustable straps. Yeah, so that's how that looks. Pretty easy and to the point, so lightweight. It's 130% in density, and as you can see, it's a natural color, a 1B color. And yeah, they did a side part in it, but you could part it anywhere within the closure because it's a 3-part closure. It's a 5x5. You have good amount of space. They did a side part in it, which is my kind of vibe, and it feels very soft. Yeah, this is gonna be so amazing. So let's go ahead and jump into this quick and easy beginner friendly installation. Okay, this is very snugged. This is very snugged. Like, you know, honestly, actually, I didn't necessarily expect to get one of these short wigs with this kind of glueless vibe feature, because you know it's a short wig, so usually it's gonna take like work to make it look very, I don't know, that was just me. I don't know why, but that's just what I thought. All right, so this is how it looks. The lace looks very good. It is also pre-plucked, lightly pre-plucked, so you don't need to go in and pluck anymore if you don't wish, or if you want a little bit more graduation, you could go ahead and do that yourself. But the hair is so soft, it's giving, and the hair is nice and full. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut away the excess lace in the front here. That's so lit. Can perfect this parting. Like this kind of glueless wig makes me so happy. Like, and I know a lot of you guys always like very intrigued when it comes on to like the short wigs like this. I think this is such a vibe. So what I'm gonna do, it's still a little bit of cast in the front, so I'm gonna take some of my face powder and just do a very light natural beat. I know it needs some shaping, we're gonna get to that. So I'm gonna just do a nice little natural beat, and then I'm gonna come back and I'll just tap out that area that has that little cast in the front. But so far so good, it's looking great. So I'm back, very nice and natural beat, so natural. And I'm just, you know, tapping out the area where there's a little cast. See, looks so good. So what I usually do, even though no product on it whatsoever, I usually just get my elastic band still, tie around the lace area. I don't know, it just does something to it, like get it really pressed in, and I'll just wet the rest of the hair to really kind of just, you know, shape it and stuff. This is too easy, like what? It's so easy to kind of just play around with and, you know, shape in the way that you would prefer. Like you could part it anywhere within the closure, as I told you. See, so you could get a nice side part, a nice center part, you know. Yeah, it's giving. Just spray this down. I'm gonna keep the side part. And yeah, just use my brush.
Got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed.
Absolutely no adhesive, and it's so snug. Let me do a shake test. You see that? Like, oh, I actually needed to do that too, so I could give it a nice little zhuzh. Very realistic, very convenient, slip on and go. Literally could get this look in like a minute. It's really convenient. And if you can't deal with a bunch of hair on your head but you want a wig, I think this wig is a great option for you, you know. So like, you should definitely look into it. I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, so you guys could go ahead and check it out. All right, check it out, as well as all the specifications will be listed down below. So yeah, shout out to OMG, they did their thing, they really did. I hope you guys found this video informative. I'm so happy I could do one of these wigs that are glueless, like a whole pixie wig. It's a lace closure glueless wig. Top tier, really, you can't beat this. So yeah, that's it for today's wig look though. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
I let you